Hello, my dear students. So today we are going to start a very nice topic here for class 10th ICSE board. For those who are going to appear in 2021 for the board exam for ICSE board. Okay. So according to this ICSE board, okay, we will cover this entire thing. And today I am going to start a very nice topic here. That is the trigonometry. Okay, so trigonometry today I will take here. And trigonometry, you know, the three basic formula. Like trigonometry, we are doing the entire thing on the right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, what happened? This is the three sides of a triangle A, B, C, and one angle is the 90 degree. Okay, and if this angle is a theta, then this angle is the 90 minus theta. Okay, so this angle is the 90 minus theta. Okay, so there is one formula for this one. Pakistan bhukha pyasa, Hindustan hara bhara. Okay, so what I will do from this one, sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular, and sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. Cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Okay, so this is the same thing. Okay, like see, this is a P by H. Okay, so for sin theta I will use here P by H. For cos theta, B by H I will use here cos theta, and for P by B I will use here tan theta. Okay, and just opposite of this one is here cosec theta. Like opposite of sin is the cosec. Like I can write here sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Okay, and I can write here cos theta is equal to, they are reciprocal. Okay, 1 by sec theta, and tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. So these are the basic thing. Okay, even though what you can do, sin theta, this is also important formula, divide by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Next topic for this one. Okay, so next topic is here, that is I will give you one more, some formula is here. Okay, so these formula are here, like sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the basic formula. Okay, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And one more formula is here in this case, that is the sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Next one is here cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. See everyone, this formula is very easy. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, you will get, remember all of you. Okay, this is a very easy formula. Sec square theta minus tan square theta, here is a confusion coming. Okay, sometimes students are writing tan square theta minus sec square theta. Okay, so how to remember this one, this formula? See, alphabetically S is coming first, after S T is coming. Okay, so always after S P Q R S T, after S T is coming, so I will write the always formula sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and cosec and cot, how I will remember, because see, cosec alphabetically have more number of here alphabet. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 alphabet is there, and here 1 2 3 only 3 is there. So those who have more alphabet, he will come first. Okay, so this is the just remembering trick, nothing else. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is the basic here in this one. So this much basic is enough to solve any question. Okay, for the trigonometry chapter. Okay, so we will do some questions here. Okay, and we will see how we can do all these questions. So we will start doing this question. Like I will take first question here in this series. The first question is here in this series here. So sec a minus 1 divide by sec a plus 1, okay, and 1 minus cos a divide by में 1 plus cos a. So see here, connecting formula is very good. Okay, if you want to really go for the trico. Okay, how to connect the thing? I told you just some time before कि sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. Okay, so sec a I will write like 1 by cos a. So I want here cos a right hand side. Okay, so I will start from LHS. Okay, from LHS I will write 1 by cos a here minus 1 and 1 by again cos a, that is the plus 1, and again what I will write here 1 minus cos a divide by cos a and 1 plus cos a divide by cos a. So this and this get cancel here, and this is the 1 minus cos a divide by me 1 plus cos a. So we have done, we got the RHS. Okay, so here we have proved, okay, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so we have done this question. So next 2-3 question we will see in the same pattern. Okay, we will see in the same pattern this one. So we'll go to the next question. Okay, so second question is here in this one. Second question in this series is here 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a divide by 1 minus sin a, this is second question, equal to cosec a plus 1 divide by cosec a minus 1. Again everyone have to pause okay, before solving this question. Okay, before you are going to see in the video, everyone have to pause this one and let's see, okay, how you can do by yourself. This is just how we have done the first question. The second question is same. Okay, same pattern is there. So 1 plus sin a, you know that all of you, is sin a is equal to 1 by me cosec a. Okay, sin a is equal to 1 by cosec a. So 1 plus 1 by cosec a divide by 1 by में cosec a. So here what happened, cosec a plus 1 divide by cosec a. Okay, and whole divide by 1 minus cosec, sorry, 1 second. No, 1 second. Okay, so here what I will do, here I will take the LCM, this one. Okay, so here I will take the LCM, so he will go at this position, okay, so I will write here cosec a minus 1 divide by में cosec a. So cosec a cancel here. So what happened in this case, cosec a plus 1 divide by cosec a minus 1. So see, we got here RHS. Okay, so this is the RHS here, and we started with the LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so we can write here, this is the proved, hence proved. Okay, so this is the, we have done question number 2. So before going to give the question number 3, okay, everyone should try the question number 3. Okay, before going to give question number 3, all of you try the question number 3. Okay, and then then you have to see my solution. Okay, first of all you have to try everyone, okay, by yourself. Question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 here on the same pattern. Okay, like 1 divide by में tan a plus cot a equal to cos a into sin a. This is the here we have to start from the LHS. You know that ki tan a is equal to, I told you to all of you, tan a is equal to sin a divided by cos a, and cot a is equal to cos a by में sin a. Okay, so 1 by में tan a, this is the sin a divided by cos a. I will write like this, and cot a is equal to cos a divided by sin a. So 1 divided by में sin square a plus cos square a divided by sin a into cos a. Okay, now this is sin a into cos a and divide by 1. So now this is sin a into cos a is your answer. So we got RHS from here. Okay, we got RHS from here. Okay, and so now we can write here LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So hence proved, we have done this one, question number 3. Okay, so we will do one more question. Okay, question number 4. We will do one more question, question number 4. So question number 4 is here. So again, before starting question number 4, so all of you do one thing. Question number 4 you try by everyone by yourself. Okay, question number 4. So question number 4 is here. Tan a minus cot a is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square a divided by sin a into cos a. Okay, so sin a, I will write here sin a divided by cos a minus cos a divided by sin a. Okay, now I will take the LCM, so he will go here. Okay, this sin a will go here and this cos a will come here. I will multiply simply sin a square a minus cos square a divided by sin a into cos a. Okay, I can write this one as a sin square a 1 minus sin square a divided by sin a into cos a. So equal to sin square a minus 1 plus sin square a divide by here sin a into cos a. Okay, so this is the 2 sin square a minus 1 divided by sin a into cos a. Now what I will do, sin square a I will convert in the cos square a. So 1 minus cos square a minus 1 divide by sin a into cos a. Okay, so I will come from this position to here on the top. Okay, and here I will solve 2 minus 2 cos square a minus 1 divide by sin a into cos a. Okay, equal to 1 minus 2 cos square a divide by में sin a into cos a. So see, we got here RHS. Okay, we got here RHS. So I can write here LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, we can write here, hence proved. Okay, some student have doubt in this portion. Okay, like see, you can do one thing, whatever this side is there, directly you can multiply here, and whatever we have this side, and this one also you can directly multiply here. Okay, this one also you can multiply here. But if you don't want to do here, what you will do, both things should be same, like sin a divide by cos A minus cos A divide by sin A. See, if the denominator of both one is A same, so the entire math is correct. So above I will multiply sin A, here I will multiply sin A, this is sin square A, and here I will multiply sin A with the cos A. And here what I will do, here I will write cos square A, and here I will multiply cos A. Okay, so this is the sin square A minus cos square A, and both one have denominator same, so I can write directly sin A into cos A. So we can come to the same page. Some students have doubt, that's why I written this one. Ki, sir, how can we write here? Yeah, how can we go there? Some students, those who are not good in basics, they just started the new thing. Okay, so thank you everyone. Okay, we will cover in the next session. Okay, rest of the question. So thank you to all of you. Okay.